Hello.
Here's a quick teardown of the Rak Wireless Helium Gateway.
Narrated by me. And what do we find inside? It's a little box. And then here's a little thing. Here's some wires. Put that aside. And here's a little stick pencil thing. And put that aside.
Yeah, that's an antenna.
And here's a little box. And a little boxy box. I have no idea what this is. And here's the instructions. Getting started. Great. Let's take a look and secure your account.
Remember to write down your 12 words.
Not sure what this thing is. Paid a lot of money for it. Let's see. USB. Ooh, hotspot miner. Okay. Barcode. And yeah, still trying to figure it out. Not sure. What is this thing? Is this what I ordered? Great. Put it in the center. You're drilling it in. Great. What's inside?
This is the fun part. It's the rack concentrator. Does all the
GPS trackers,
radio stuff.
batteries, and yep. Not quite sure still. Twist this little thing. It's pretty hard to untwist. All right. Well, spinny spin twist off. Great. Came off. Nice. And where can this thing go? Alright, next thing. Peel the sticker off. Nice.
That's a high endurance memory card which holds the whole operating system.
A little SIM card for my phone. Perfect. Alright, I think I'm good. Still trying to figure out what this thing is. Screw some little screws off and yep. I think this might be a LoRa device. I'll have to make some things for it.
We're looking at the secure chip that holds the swarm key.
I have no idea what this thing is. Cool. And yep, I'm taking a look, putting it down, and probably could charge some things in this. Still not sure what it is though. Raspberry Pi? Cream pie? Great, let's take all these little screws out. Perfect. Alright, so we got a I don't know what's happening anymore. Basically, the point of this video is for me to show you all of my cool tools. And this Rak 2003 Pi Hat Verbi figured out what it was. You can scan your phone and see what menu comes up. What kind of brewski you want. Rakwireless.com. Should we go to that website? Another barcode. LoRa. It is a LoRa. I knew it.
That's about it. Thanks for following along. Check back in for a lot more videos like
We're gonna
this.
fast forward. Put everything back into place. This goes into there, and these go into here. Put the box back together. Screws. Look how fast I'm going. So good at these things.